Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a TikTok Shop product link on your TikTok videos. Let's get started. First, record and edit your video as usual. Once you're done, tap next to move to the posting screen. Then here, you can write your video description and include hashtags relevant to your product. Then, scroll down and tap the Add Link button. From the list of link options, choose Products. And here, you'll be routed to your product management screen. After that, after selecting the product, its name and link will be added to the video. Tap Next to confirm. And after that, tap Post and your video will go live with the product link attachment. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.